Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and navigating to Chrome Music Lab. Pick Songmaker to begin composing immediately. Once loaded, make sure your speakers or headphones are connected and set volume to a safe level, around 50% 70%. Select tempo, scale, and instrument from the top controls. These define rhythm and tonal palette. Now place one or two notes to test playback. This first action confirms settings and gives instant feedback, so you know the project parameters before building further. Once you have initial settings, begin placing notes across the piano roll, draw short patterns, then use the quantize grid to lock timing and avoid human error. Make deliberate changes to tempo and scale during development to explore different moods, and swap instruments to test textures. Use copy, paste, and loop functions to repeat motifs. This creates structure fast. As you add layers, mute and solo tracks to check balance, and tweak velocities so every part sits in the mix without clashing. To finish, export your piece as MIDI or WAV so you can edit or share it. Name each version and save incrementally so you can revert if needed. Before exporting, listen through once for balance and adjust the master volume or note velocities. Select highest export quality if available. If playback or export fails, check Browser tab Audio, cite microphone/sound permissions, and the system audio output. Reload the page after adjusting settings, and try a different Chrome profile if problems persist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.